how to use GPS tracking feature in OS Map. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to use GPS tracking feature in OS Map. In order to use this feature, you have to make sure to log in into your OS Map first of all. When you're logged in, by default it's going to direct you to the home page. While on this page, go to the Maps button located right at the bottom, and now you can go ahead and locate the map for which country you wish to, or you can just go ahead and search the location. Then you can just go ahead and long press and release on the map. When you do that, a panel will appear at the top with the location of the and distance. Click on it, and then you can just tap the top bar, and you can go ahead and set GPS to show current location and satellite in view. After that, add coordinates as a data field on one of the following data page, and then you can use the GPS tracking feature in OS Map. So that's how you can use it. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.